Welcome to GK Atamusri. Who was the first president of India? Dr. Rajendra Prasad. Who was the first woman president of India? Pratibha Patil. Who was the first Prime Minister of India? Jawaharlal Nehru. Who was the first woman Prime Minister of India? Indira Gandhi. Who was the first man to go in the space from India? Rakesh Sharma. Who was the first woman to go in the space from India? Kalpana Chawla. Who was the first Indian pilot? J.R.D. Tata. Who was the first Indian woman pilot? Sarla Thukral. Who was the first Indian to climb the Mount Everest? Avata Singh Cheema. Who was the first Indian woman to climb the Mount Everest? Bachendri Pal. Who was the first Indian woman to climb the Mount Everest twice? Santosh Yadav. Who was the first Indian to cross English Channel? Mihir Sen. Who was the first Indian woman to cross English Channel? Aarti Saha. Who was the first Indian women Indian Police Service officer? Kiran Bedi. Who was the first Indian women Indian Administrative Service officer? Anna Rajam Malhotra. Kindly subscribe, like and share my channel. Thank you.